Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go around and share some new things I've added to the living room, some changes I've made, some new pieces I've added, like this little black entry table. It used to be upstairs in my hallway, but it was gray and I painted it like a satin black. So I'm gonna go around and give you like another living room tour. It's still kind of spring. As it gets a little bit closer to the 4th of July holiday, Memorial Day, all that, I will add some red, white, and blue, and I will share that with you guys soon. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump into the video. I will be doing this to music as I have a few kids home, and I just want you guys to sit back, relax, and enjoy the video with the refreshed room and the added new pieces, as well as the rearranged furniture. So this table is new. I just got it off of Amazon, and I do have some rub and buff coming to sort of like antique it, make it look like a brassy gold. The picture frames here down on the bottom, they are new and thrifted. I need to add pictures of the family and the kids. It was a brown metal, like a cast iron brown metal, and I chalk painted it white. And it's holding my collection of some religious books and some Bibles. This is thrifted. I need to chalk paint it white. This frame is also new, and I got it off of Amazon. I need to get a picture of the kiddos in there. Now, I had asked you guys about the black rug and what you guys thought about it. A lighter rug did arrive, and I did rearrange the furniture. So the new rug is added, and I got rid of the black rug. This one's lighter. And so this is how the room looks now with me rearranging it with the new rug. To do board and batten up to here to the bottom of the shelf, and I'm going to do this very, very light pink wallpaper that I got, and it will just give this wall the right kind of dimension and texture it needs, but it will still look soft and not overdone or overplayed. out this space with the lighter rug and the new furniture arrangement, as well as just the added new table, and then just moving things around and playing with different decor pieces, because it's always fun to do like little refreshes. And that's a wrap for today's living room updated tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys again in my next video. As always, have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, and I will see you guys again very soon. Take care.